Hey folks, you see my little uh, sister's dog with me right now. This is for Will Patriot. We're praying for you, Will. We got you covered. Don't worry. I don't think it's the red dragon or the bear virus or what's going on. I think it's the three other viruses in the air. Take it easy. Self quarantine for about 14 days. It should go away. Drink plenty of fluids. See Hubble's Cats video. I know he's a communist, but check him out. Stay clean, hydrate. That's the main thing. Hydrate. Have a lot of toilet paper because this one it'll drain you. Okay. Eat soft foods. Do not eat anything solid but soft. All right. Like you, I have medical conditions. I've been self-isolated since January before this started because I had surgery on my eye. I got another one I got to do. Right now, I have the bandage off, but if you kind of tell, still swollen like hell. You can see the little vein right there. Okay, we're all praying for Will. You're going to get through it. I have faith. I've been praying for everybody, nonstop praying for everybody. I did warn people 2020 is going to be a nasty one. It's going to hit everybody on all sides. All right? Everybody laughs at Uncle Alan. Everybody thinks Uncle Alan's a nut, a kook. I haven't been wrong. I'm praying for the people in the Northeast, the Central States. God, what a mess. And Canada, too. Okay? This is the first wave. All right? We're peaking. We'll find out in 3 or I got to look at my figures again. About anywhere from 3 to 2 weeks. We'll find out March 15th if it's finally peaking off and drops down. If it doesn't drop down, get ready for the second wave. I pray for everybody. God bless and good luck. This one is just the first thing that's going to happen. Now, I tell people a year and a half ago to stock up 3 to 6 months worth of supplies. Even show cardboard signs about it. But does anybody listen? No. Okay? And don't go panic buying. Go over to Costco, Sam's Clubs, Walmart. I see people buying stuff. I'm looking at them like, why are you buying stuff? You don't eat this stuff. You don't know where we're going to stick it in our garage. Don't do that. Don't panic. Pray for Will Patriot. All right? Be calm. It's like I have to put another round of medication in my eyes because my right eyeball's dry because of the surgery. I have to use artificial tears. It hurts like hell. I'm still doing this because I'm praying like hell. All right? I do wear a tie and I got my thing. And I just came back from church. I've been praying for everybody. AK Fab, Will, uh, uh, AOK Outdoors Adventures. I mean, it's hitting everybody everywhere from different directions. So please be alert and God bless you. And I care for you. Catch you later.